What's going on, everybody? I'm making this video today as a replacement to our previous pair programming video. The reason is I put all the technologies in one video, and there were some people who already had Visual Studio Code, for example, and so they wanted to get just straight to the Frontend Mentor or straight to the Discord information. And so I'm splitting these videos into a couple different videos. One for Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to be going over Visual Studio Code, how to get it set up, plugins required once you get Visual Studio Code set up, and the plugin that is required for the pair programming sessions is VS Code Live Share. So the first video is going to be going over these two tools right here. The third video is going to be going over Discord, and I'll be showing you how to install, and then I will be introducing you to our server. And then the last video will be just setting up Frontend Mentor, why we're using this tool, and that sort of thing. So go ahead and forward to the next video, and we'll get started with Visual Studio Code.